Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 22nd of February. And first of all, national news. Himachal dissolved State Staff Selection Commission after paper leak incidents. The live transcription was launched in the courtroom of Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud. Digital University to reduce cost of higher skill education, Minister. India Singapore launch linkage of real time payment systems. Severe hailstorm hit Shimla, brought down visibility, temperature. After Joshimath like situation in Jammu's Doda, Green Tribunal formed panel. Disaster control room set up in sinking Joshimath for Char Dham Yatra. IIT Kanpur released answer key for GATE 2023. Right party at right time for India's rise. S. Jaishankar on joining BJP. Supreme Court tests live transcription of its hearings. A first. Digital University to reduce cost of higher skill education. Minister. Rajasthan Chief Minister met teen who impressed Sachin Tendulkar with her batting. India's digital transactions estimated to soon overtake cash transactions, PM Modi said. Ladakh set Guinness World Record with half marathon in sub-zero temperature. And now some international news. Russia mercilessly killing civilians in Kherson, Ukraine's Zelensky. World's biggest trial of 4-day working week declared success in UK. Deeply unfortunate, but US after Russia suspended nuclear treaty. Don't beg West for money, invest in Russia. Putin to business elite. Ukraine vote to kick out Russia after Putin address. China may supply weapons to help Russia against Ukraine, NATO chief. Russia demanded US withdraw soldiers and equipment from Ukraine. Israel lawmaker urged government to extend military support to Ukraine. Will boost military ties with US, Taiwan president amid China threat. Women's empowerment only way to ensure peace, prosperity. President Murmu. Russia claimed Joe Biden was guaranteed personal security for Kyiv visit. North Korea missile test put thousands in China, Japan at radiation risk. And now some sports news. Richa Ghosh jumped 16 places to be in top 20 in women's T20 batter rankings. David Warner out of last two tests against India in Australia's deepening injury crisis. Tennis is very important, but not everything in my life. Sania Mirza. Lionel Messi on brink of historic milestone, all set to join Cristiano Ronaldo in elite goal scoring club. No new talks on Jude Bellingham extension. Dortmund's Sebastian Kehl said. Now news related to business. Sensex edges lower to settle at 60,672.72. Nifty at 17,826.70. Rupee falls 3 paise to 82.76 against US dollar. Adani Group firm repaid rupees 1,500 crore in comeback strategy. Angle tax provisions in finance bill won't affect startups. Official. Now news from science and technology. A fundamental discovery in science, new form of salty ice could exist on extraterrestrial moons. Powerful antenna for NASA's Roman Space Telescope cleared environmental test. And that's all in news. Thank you.